Hi guys and welcome back. Now in this lecture and the next several lectures we're going to start building our alien fleet. And to do that we need obviously to draw our alien fleet to screen. First we need to figure out how many aliens can fit across our screen and how many rows of aliens can fit down our screen. We'll first figure out the horizontal spacing between aliens and create a row. Then we'll determine the vertical spacing and create our entire fleet. So how do we determine how many aliens fit in a row? Well, to figure this out, let's look at how much horizontal space we have. The screen width is stored in our Invaders from Python settings file, but we need an empty margin on either side of the screen. We'll make this margin the width of one of our aliens. Because we have two margins, the available space for aliens is the screen width minus two alien widths. So what would that look like? Well, let's just write out a quick piece of code here and it would look something like this. Available space underscore space x equals invaders from Python underscore settings dot screen width. Just let me move my mouse so you can see my line there. There we go. Minus brackets 2 times the alien width. Okay, so as we said, our margins are going to be minus twice the size of one alien. Now we also need to set the spacing between our aliens, and we'll make this space the size of one alien width. The space needed to display one alien is twice its width. One width for the alien and one width for the empty space to its right. To find the number of aliens that fit across our screen, we divide the available space by 2 times the width of an alien. That would look something like this. I'm going to have to move my bracket there. Hang on. Now, let's see. So our number of aliens, x, equals available space x underscore x divided by the sum of 2 times alien width. There we go. So we'll include these calculations when we create the fleet. Now let's look at how we create our first row of aliens. So to create a row, first create an empty group called aliens, and we create that in our invaders from Python.py program. Now your program might be something different. You can see mine is underscore ship here, but it doesn't matter. Invaders from Python is what we've been using since the beginning of these lectures. So let's have a look at where we put that in. Let's scroll down here, and just beneath our first function, run game, let's add in something here. So let's add in a comment, and let's say make a ship a group of bullets and a group of aliens. There we go. Now what's going in here? Well, we're going to take our ship line here, line 25 on my screen. Just let me cut that, paste that in. There we go. Next, we're going to take our bullets group from line 30 on my screen. Just let me cut that. Cut. Paste. And then we're going to take our alien here. We're going to cut that again and we're going to paste it in here. Line 22. And we're just going to remove what we have here and we're going to say, instead of alien, it's going to be aliens equals group brackets, and we can just remove the comments here now. There we go. Perfect. Next, we're going to create a fleet of aliens. So comment create a fleet of aliens. There we go. And what is that going to have? Well, it's going to have gf dot create underscore fleet invaders from Python settings, comma screen, comma aliens. There we go. And then finally, right down the bottom here where we have at line 34 on my screen, gf update screen, we have alien, but we want to say aliens. There we go. Now we can save that. Perfect. Now, because we're no longer creating aliens directly in invaders from Python.py, we don't need to import the alien class into this file. So we create an empty group to hold all of the aliens here at line 22. We then call the new function createFleet here at line 25, opens with a comment, and the code is at line 26. We will write this function createFleet very shortly and pass it to our invaders from Python settings, the screen object and the empty group of aliens. Next, we modify the call to update screen to give it access to the group of aliens. Now we also need to modify our update screen function in game functions. So let's jump on over to our game functions file and let's have a look here. So as I said, update screen. So here's our update screen here. And what do we need to update here? Well, we need to say, instead of alien, we need to say aliens. Done. And then we have alien.blitme brackets. Well, we need to say now aliens. So let me just remove that piece here. Aliens.draw screen. Okay, perfect. Save that. Now when we call the draw on a group, Pygame automatically draws each element in the group at the position defined by its rect attribute. In this case, aliens.draw screen draws each alien in the group to the screen. In the next lecture, we'll look at creating the fleet. Thanks for listening, and as always, if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact me.